We're in the kitchen cooking some juicy baked chicken thighs. Start off with some clean chicken. We're using all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning, there's the ingredients. You can pause it and look at the ingredients. Gonna add a little bit of that seasoning, just a little bit. And this is the only seasoning you need. You don't need to add any other thing else. Massage that in. Gonna flip that over. Oven preheating at 375. Like I said, the oven is preheating at 375. Make sure you pull that skin back because we want to get under that skin. Got to get under that skin. You're going to have some people say, I don't eat skin. Well, take the skin off. Take it off. We're going to add some more seasoning and put that skin back together. Cover that up. Add a little bit more. Got some butter cut up. Drop that in the pan. Make sure the chicken not on top of each other. Leave a little room so it can circulate. Oven is ready at 375. We're going to get that in the oven. In 30-minute mark, look at what we got so far. You see that liquid? Don't you dare pour that out. That's liquid gold. Liquid gold. Put that in. Put it back. 30 minutes later, that's 60 minutes. Look at that liquid. Liquid gold. Baste it. Spread it on top of all those thighs. And for the people who don't like bone-in chicken, eat around the bone. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe if you like what you see. Comment, like, and share. Thank you.